How to get 90% off coupons from Temu emails. Are you missing out on massive 90% off deals that Temu sends directly to your email? Most people delete these without realizing they're leaving serious savings on the table. Stay with me because I'm going to show you exactly how to identify, claim, and use these incredible email discounts. If you're ready to save big on your next Temu haul, smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss another money-saving tutorial. Temu periodically sends existing customers emails containing significant discount offers, sometimes up to 90% off on specific items or categories. However, these offers come with specific terms and conditions, and knowing how to navigate them is key to actually getting the discount. Today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about these email promotions, from finding them to successfully applying them at checkout. First, understand what these 90% off emails actually offer. When Temu sends a 90% discount email, it's typically not site-wide. Instead, it usually applies to a curated selection of products, flash sale items, or new customer acquisition bundles that existing customers can share. Read the email carefully from top to bottom, because the fine print will tell you exactly which products qualify, any minimum purchase requirements, and the expiration date of the offer. Second, make sure you're actually receiving Temu's promotional emails. Go into your Temu app, tap on your profile icon, then navigate to Settings. Look for notification preferences or email settings and ensure that promotional emails are turned on. If you've previously unsubscribed or marked Temu emails as spam, you'll need to reverse this. Also check your email provider's promotions or spam folders, because these high-value offers sometimes get filtered out of your main inbox. Third, act quickly when you receive these emails. The 90% off offers are almost always time-limited, sometimes lasting only 24 hours or until inventory runs out. When you get an email with a major discount, open it immediately and check the countdown timer if there is one. These flash deals are designed to create urgency, and the best items at the highest discounts do sell out fast. Fourth, locate and copy the coupon code from the email. The promotional code is usually displayed prominently in the email, often in a colored box or with a copy code button. Click to copy it or write it down carefully, making sure you get every character correct, including any capital letters or numbers. Some emails will have a direct link that takes you to the Temu app or website with the code automatically applied, which is even easier. Fifth, browse the eligible products carefully. Once you click through from the email, you'll typically land on a special landing page showing all the items that qualify for the 90% discount. Don't assume your favorite products will be included. Instead, explore what's actually available at this discount level. Look for items you genuinely need or have been wanting, because a great discount on something you won't use isn't really a deal at all. Sixth, add qualifying items to your cart and proceed to checkout. Make sure the items you've selected actually show the discounted price. At checkout, there should be a field labeled coupon code or promo code. Paste or type the code you copied from the email into this field and click Apply. You should immediately see the discount reflected in your order total. If the code doesn't work, double check that you've met any minimum purchase requirements and that the items in your cart are actually eligible for the promotion. Seventh, watch for additional restrictions. Some 90% off codes only work on your first order of a specific item, or they might be limited to one use per customer. Others might require you to spend a certain amount before the discount applies, or they might exclude shipping costs from the discount. Read any pop-up messages or error notifications carefully, as they'll tell you exactly why a code isn't working if you encounter issues. Here's a pro tip that can maximize your savings even further. Before you finalize your purchase with the 90% off code, check your Temu Coupon Center to see if you can stack any additional offers. While most 90% codes can't be combined with other percentage discounts, you might be able to add free shipping or small dollar amount off coupons on top. Also, if you're a new user receiving these emails through a referral program, sometimes you can layer welcome bonuses with email promotion codes for compound savings. Always test this at checkout by trying to apply multiple codes, because the worst that can happen is the system will tell you they can't be combined. So to recap, getting that 90% off deal from Temu emails requires you to enable promotional emails in your settings, monitor your inbox including spam folders, act quickly when offers arrive, carefully read the terms and conditions, shop only from eligible products, correctly apply the coupon code at checkout, and watch for any purchase restrictions. These emails are legitimate promotional tools Temu uses to move inventory and reward engaged customers. If this guide helped you understand how to capture these massive email discounts, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on maximizing your online shopping savings. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever successfully used a 90% off Temu coupon from an email? What did you buy? Share your experience in the comments below because your story might help someone else. Thanks for watching and happy bargain hunting.